In this video, I will be demonstrating how to select text in Microsoft Word. These selection methods will also work in the other Microsoft products as well as other computer software programs. The first way to select text is to use your mouse, and to do this you click on to the left of where you want to begin your selection with your mouse, and you hold down your click with the left click and drag across until you have the word, words, or lines selected that you want to select. You can also do this using your keyboard. If you click to the left or click where you want to position the beginning of your selection, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and you can use the arrow keys on the right side of your keyboard, and you can use right, left, up, down to control the selection. Now Microsoft also has some shortcuts to select different parts of your text. So for example, if you want to select just a word, you can position your mouse in the word and double click. In this case, I'm going to position my mouse in the word anywhere and double click with the left button, and I've selected just one word. If you would like to select a line of text, you can position your cursor to the left side of the text of the paragraph. You notice how the cursor changes to an arrow. You click once and it will select the one line. You can also select an entire paragraph by placing your cursor anywhere in the paragraph and triple clicking, or click 3 quick times to select the entire paragraph. Now, if you've selected something that you want to replace with new words, you first make your selection, and here instead of type I want to put the word write, so I just type right over the selection and it will replace what you have selected. If I want to delete some text, I select what I want to delete. So in this case, I want to delete the word delete. And I can either press the delete key on my keyboard, which might be abbreviated DEL, or I can use from the home menu, I can use the cut icon, which will delete the word. It's a good thing here also to talk about just deleting text using your keyboard without making selection. So if I click with my mouse to the right of the word cursor and I use the backspace key, it's going to delete the word cursor going back to the left. If I click here in front of the word cursor and I use the delete key on my keyboard, it's going to delete to the right of my cursor. If I click before the word cursor and I hold the control key down on my computer and then press the delete key, it'll delete the word to the right. And if I click at the end of the word cursor and hold down the control and press backspace, it deletes the word to the left. So these are all ways that you can delete text. Now, while we're on the topic of deletion, I'd like to show you one more thing about deleting blank lines on a second page. If you notice down here in the left corner, it says that this document is page 1 of 2. So if I scroll down to page 2, I see that it's just blank. So I can click with my mouse at the bottom of that blank space, use the backspace on my keyboard until I backspace out the blank page. That's the easiest way to delete a blank page. So again, in this lesson you learned how to select text, select a word, select a line, select a paragraph, how to replace text that you've selected, and how to delete text.